Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set up the AI website chatbot for your Odoo website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page of your website. From there, in the upper left corner, we can access the editor menu, and alongside it, we're going to have the configuration tab, site settings, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to get started with implementing AI chatbots. So as you can see right here on the official Odoo documentation page, we already have an article on chatbots and how to implement them. So basically, a chatbot is a program designed to mimic conversation with a live human, and chatbots are assigned a script of previous steps to follow. So to build it, you are going to go ahead and first install it. So you're going to go to your app database and go to live chat app configuration and chatbots. Here at the top of the screen, you're going to have the configuration and the apps from where you can access your chatbot. And now you want to get started with installing it. So what I suggest for you to do is go to the official Odoo documentation page, open up chatbots, and follow it step by step on how to install it, how to fix any problems that might occur, and so on. And once you've gotten it ready, it's going to be applied to your website, and your users are going to go and be able to start using it. So you can go ahead and set it up to your desire. You can go and set up any emails that you want to go and leave with the chatbot, any main messages, and so on. All of that is going to be doable within the settings, but you want to follow the steps right here, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.